Hi Drastic Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to be continuing our symbol series. So let's get started and draw this Korean finger heart. To draw this gesture of love, we're going to first start by drawing the fingers. So let's start right here, and I'm going to be drawing an index finger. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve. So it's going to be a slight angle. So this is kind of like you want to start with. And we're going to start to bring this down. So let's come around right here. So just remember, this is an index finger, so it's going to get slightly wider as we come down. Okay, so it's the approximate shape that you're aiming to draw at an angle. And so let's continue to bring this down more. Okay, so from there I'm going to stop because there's other fingers I need to draw that comes down at an angle about right here. So approximately about right here I'm going to start. See, about right here, and I'm going to start to draw a curve for the first knuckle. So it's going to be approximately the same width as this. So then I'm going to start to come down. It's all going to be at this angle right here. So another knuckle. And another one, the last one. It's going to be slightly smaller. So just a curve and then a smaller curve. Okay, so then now let's start to bring this down more. And bring this in. Slowly build this. So I'm going to bring this curve down more. Approximately about right there, and let's bring this as well. So it's also continuing the same angle, and this one as well. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this all around. But before we do that, let's come to the top right here. In this area, so it's going to continue up. We're going to draw a thumb right here, and the reason I want to draw this thumb first is so that everything, when I draw this bottom, is going to be nice and even. So let's come right here, coming up, so say about right in this area. I'm going to draw a thumb. So let's come out, a curve, round it off. It's going to be about same thickness as that. Bring it down, and we're just going to curve it in. There. So we have the two tips right there. So this is going to be our center. So let's bring this down and bring this around. So just step back and take a look how thick this needs to be for your drawing. So I'm just going to start to angle it in. And then I'm going to continue my center. So about right here is going to be my lowest point. And start to bring it in. And connect. There, finally. So we have the hands in. Okay, so now that we have this part in, the cute part of this drawing is the heart right here, right? So I'm going to bring it in here with the tip coming out. So about right here, I'm going to fit in the heart. So let's see, about right here, come up, and so I'll just come right here. And I'm going to go ahead and draw a heart. Just trying to figure out where I should put this heart, how high up. Okay, so I'm going to come down. I'm just going to make sure this bottom tip is angled in that point. So in there, right? And then let's come up and bring that point in. There. Okay, so then to add some excitement to this little snap of love, let's come over here. We're going to draw two little elongated drops on both sides of this heart. There, all done. So the drawing's basically done. Let's go ahead and color it. So there, hope you love how this Korean gesture of love turned out, and it inspires you to spread love with the tips of your 2 fingers. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure to look out for more of my symbol drawings this week. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.